Hello! Here at MyBedFrames, every bed is individually made to order by hand in our factory and then sold directly to the public, offering great savings of up to 60%. Today I'd like to show you our Riley 2000 model. This soft feel 10-inch deep mattress has 2,000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs that all work independently from each other. These give excellent spinal support, allowing for hips and shoulders to gently sink into the mattress, therefore causing the fillings to arch up and caress your lower back area. The finest long-lasting natural fibres and fillings are then hand-laid over the spring unit, giving the ultimate comfort and support, using soft springy wool for its insulation, being warm in winter and cool in summer, cotton felt for its moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night, and finally cashmere and silk for its sustainable breathability with excellent cooling. The mattress surface is our exclusive cashmere soft knitted yarn, which is 100% natural and very soft to touch. It's exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure you stay dry whilst you sleep, therefore keeping your body at a constant temperature. Mattress borders are side-stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitch turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh, the perfect solution for a cool, dry sleep.